Mr. DeBose, you got to eliminate all noise background. We about to open court and stay in the camera. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there will be no walking around, talking, reading, eating, sleeping, smoking, driving. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court and remain in the camera. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the people versus Dewan Rich. Ticket number U40815108, count 1. Loud music that can be heard at a distance greater than 10 feet. Ticket number. Sorry, give me one. Ticket number 07539506. Count 2. Drove by license not valid or improper. Ticket number 08500103. Count 1. Failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. I don't think these are on the docket. Ticket number SP1064392, count 1, drove out unlicensed. Ticket number P1064391, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, driver's license expired. And count 3, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Dewan Rich.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Rich. I did negotiate. In first place, we asked the warrants be set aside at this time and waive the formal reading of the information.
The court will set aside the warrant.
Your Honor, I did reach a plea agreement with the prosecutor, but we didn't have all those tickets. I think she was just using the tickets on the docket.
Yeah, let me look and see. Yeah, he still has, I think these are in warrant status. He has some open tickets that he needs probably to address.
So I'm going to ask that he be placed.
Wait. This isn't him. This is Barner Rich. Nope, this isn't him. So I'm not even gonna worry about it. That's not him.
Judge, we gonna strike that case.
Yes, please strike. So strike the ticket starting in number 08, and then I think one was 07. Those tickets, you can strike those. All right, go ahead, Ms. Roki.
Regarding the tickets that are on the docket, Your Honor, the prosecutor made a recommendation. My client would plead guilty to 1 charge of expired plates. All other matters are being dismissed. He's waiving his rights.
And this, you can strike the U ticket as well.
Well,
I don't think I caught this ticket. SP1064390, count 3, driving register or entitled vehicle. All right. What was the offer again, Mr. Roki?
On that 1 set of tickets written by Jerry Jones, the offer is expired plates with all the other Jerry Jones tickets being dismissed.
Okay. All right, so with that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket?
Yes, Your Honor.
You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice?
Your Honor, so stipulated.
Okay, so they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $145 fine, Mr. Rich, because this is a civil infraction. You have 14 days to pay this fine. Can you have it paid by February 28th?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so you're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Just everyone give me one moment, please.
Mr. Brown, were you ready on Mr. Davis's case?
Actually, no. I was continuing a conversation with Ms. Horn, but I need to go to another Zoom. May I leave and come back?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Good morning, Judge. I'll be
Hey,
short.
Mr. Brown, how are you, sir?
Good.
All right, this is the people versus Collins Dingle, ticket number. There's extra tickets in here, so he's here, ticket number SP 1385702, count one, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your name to the record. FYI, Ms. Soroki, he does have, but I can see what's going on with this ticket. It looks like he has a Z ticket. And then he has a couple of other tickets. So I can look to see what's going on with these.
So, Your Honor, if he's got other matters, I'm going to ask that he be placed back in a breakout room until we,
Yeah. Yeah, he has a Z ticket and a drive unregistered or entitled vehicle and a drove while license not valid. So you probably want Ms. Horn to work something out for all this.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Rich, you can leave. We finished with your matter.
Oh, I'm sorry. My apologies.
And Mr. Dingo, could you tap your screen and rejoin your room so we can try to get some deals to your other matters? Tap your screen, and when it says rejoin your room.
This is Entree DeBose. Excuse me, guys. Phone's about to die.
Mr. DeBose, hold on. Mr. Dingo, tap your screen and rejoin your room.
All right, this is the people versus Autry DeBose, ticket number U631, I'm sorry. Yes, U631762122, count one, offer to engage the services of another for an act of prostitution. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. DeBose.
State your name, sir.
Entree DeBose.
Your Honor, at this time, the people have made a recommendation for this to be amended to a disorderly conduct with the usual terms. My client's waiving his rights, asking the court to adopt that.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Roki, in private about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Yes. A $200 fine, probation, and a STD test.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of August 25th, 2022 at 4:13 p.m. On that date and time, did you offer to engage the service of another for an act of prostitution?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
First, I'm satisfied with the factual basis. We'll accept the admission, amend the count to disorderly conduct. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine of $200. There is going to be a period of 6 months of non-reporting probation. You need to complete HIV and STI testing. We don't need to know the results, just the fact that you actually did the testing. And you need to take the misdemeanor morality course. If you have a pen, I can give you the phone number for that.
I'm ready.
The phone number is 313-864-8205. So your next court date is
Okay,
August
everything-
8th. I'm sorry.
I think you need to repeat the number.
August.
It's 313-864-8205.
Okay. August 6th.
What was that?
Said something about another court
Yeah,
date. That
August
6th.
8th at 8:35 is your next court date.
Okay, am I gonna get something in the mail to be able to pay the tickets and do everything I need to do as far as the probation to set everything up? Or how does that work?
So give them the screen.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm also gonna give you another phone number, just to Ms. Green, so that she can just kind of help make referrals, so that you can complete all the services. Her number is 313-965-8130.
All right, thank you.
All right, so I will see you August 8th at 8:35. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Gary, were you ready? Or are you still waiting to see if, well, the officer did appear. Are you ready?
Judge, I was put in a breakout room, so I reached out to the prosecutor, but I don't know what's going on at this point in time.
So she
I
went
think-
to another courtroom.
Yeah, she did. The officer is here. I think she wants to probably pull his SOS to see what kind of offer. So she's probably still working on an offer.
Judge, I'm supposed to be in another Judge Williams's courtroom. May I leave and then come back?
Absolutely.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
I did for this.
She probably will.
She don't have it yet. She haven't been out yet.
All right, this is the people versus Daniel Reynolds, ticket number P13800342, count one, motorcycle moped. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on one moment. Strike that. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, on behalf of Mr. Reynolds.
Say your name, Mr. Reynolds.
Daniel Reynolds.
Your Honor, the people are amending this to improper plate. At this time, my client's waiving his rights.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Reynolds. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Roki, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
Yes, ma'am.
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Guilty. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of August 26, 2022 at 5:31 PM. On that date and time, were you at or near Plymouth and Forward in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you on some kind of,
A mini
Yes.
bike.
okay, and did you not have insurance for that mini bike?
Yes, ma'am. I did not.
You're satisfied, Ms. Roki?
Satisfied.
All right, the court is also satisfied, factual basis will accept the admission and amend the count to improper plates. There's a $200 fine. Mr. Reynolds, can you have that fine paid by March 16th?
March 16th. I got quit that day. Can we try like the end of the month? Because I actually just sprung my ankle. I know that I don't have anything, but that's the only way I make my money. I work on houses and like cut grass and stuff like that. And right now my ankle messed up. I actually can't walk on it.
Man, you're not cutting any grass right now, it's not growing. How about, April 13th?
April 13th. Yes, that should be fine.
All right, you can
And how
make
do I
it-
pay?
You do a spring cleanup by then.
How do I pay? Like, where do I pay at?
You can pay online. There's kiosks around the city, like in CVS and Meyer. I know there's one at Northwest Activity Center called DivDat, D-I-V as in Victor, D-A-T as in Tom. You can pay on that. You can also download that app. There's a phone number I can give you, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay. Did you want that phone number?
I'll probably just come down to the courthouse.
Okay.
And then is it okay? Like, do I have to pay the whole 200 at once?
Well, if you need a payment plan, you would need to put at least 25% down by that date and like apply for it. I'll put on the ticket that you're in need of a payment plan. But you would need to put at least 50% down, which I think would be what, $50?
$50. Would that have to be today?
No, but would you rather do community service in lieu of the fines? I can give you community service, you can do 20 hours.
Yeah, community service.
Yeah, you wanna do that instead?
Yeah, I think that'd be fine.
Okay, so I'll give you 20 hours of community service, but you need to have it done by March 16th. And even though your ankle is injured, I'm gonna give you a phone number. Call Ms. Green and she should be able to find something to accommodate you.
Yes.
So you got a pen?
The phone.
You got a pen? I'm gonna give you a phone number for someone to call to set your community service up.
Yeah, I'm writing it in my notes.
Oh, on your phone? Okay, let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
It's 313-965-8130. That's Miss Green.
Miss Green.
Yes, call her. She'll set up your community service and let her know that you got a sprained ankle, and she should be able to find something to accommodate you.
Okay, appreciate it.
No problem. All right, so your next date, but you gotta come back. Your next date is March 16th at 8:35.
8:30 for court day, right?
Yes, that's your next court date to show that you completed the 20 hours of community service.
Okay.
All right. All right, good luck.
Question. Whether a Xander Dixon checked in, and I believe Attorney Brown for Andre Davis, was he given a new date?
Xander Dixon did not check in, and for Attorney Brown, Mark Brown matter, he hasn't, we haven't did his yet. He left and he said he'll be back.
Okay, because I believe Officer Willie Robinson is here for Xander Dixon and Andre Davis. So, but Andre Davis is showing as in two different sections, like one for trial, formal hearing, and then at 8:27 pre-trial. So we weren't sure if we just needed to get a new date because I don't think we're prepared to go to trial on the first set. So that's all. I just wanted to make the court aware of that. I'll go back in the police officer room. I guess we'll still wait on Mr. Brown to come back.
Okay, well, yes, Mr. Reynolds.
I'm sorry. I have another court date in person on the 16th of March. And my phone is not on, so I won't be able to do Zoom at the same time.
We'll do the 17th.
Okay, appreciate it.
All right, Mr. Torres, good morning. Are you ready? Oh, well, before I do you, let me get Raven Roberts out. This is the People versus Raven Roberts, ticket number P1382881. Count 1, driver license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. And count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please say your names for the record.
Raven Roberts.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Raven Roberts. At this time, the people have made a recommendation. My client, I believe, is going to plead to fail to display and the other counts being dismissed. She's waiving her rights.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Roberts. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Ms. Soroki, in private about your case and your right.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
yes,
That's another matter. Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
say that again.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Oh, yeah,
One moment. I'm looking at. You have some other matters as well. Hold on, you got some other matters that are pending. You just keep writing. This Soroki, she has hearings set tomorrow too.
Do you just want to have the city attorney review? Is it the same officer? Can you tell?
It is. It's a different day.
Well, maybe we should just bring this one back tomorrow, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, I mean, she has a driving, registered or entitled vehicle, and I think another suspended license charge.
I think we should bring her back tomorrow. That way we can resolve all of them at the same time.
Except for a show cause.
Oh, tomorrow's a show cause too? Okay, then why don't we just bring them forward today since she's here and we have the city attorney review them?
That person.
Raven Roberts.
Okay, I see her on the screen. Okay, I'm on my way to the courtroom. But I just had Xander Dixon didn't check in.
No.
People will move for Capias. Did Jesse Roberts check in?
Oh, she does.
Jesse Roberts, no.
And Jermaine Rooks.
Yes.
So Jermaine Rooks is here?
Yes.
Okay, have you you want to talk about that one later, Ms. Soroki?
Yeah, I'm gonna go into this other hearing at 10, but yes, after that, I'm definitely.
Okay, Rooks, okay. And I'll check and see if it's mine. It probably is though. Yes, a U ticket. Okay. All right.
And can you send it to me, please? Thank you.
Robert, you can go back and join your breakout room. You got a hearing tomorrow too.
Ms. Roberts, tap your screen and rejoin your room.
Mr. Brown, I don't think, are you ready to call your matter? I don't think that the officer has.
Well, I probably need to speak to Ms. Horn again.
Judge, the officer has not appeared for his client, Andre Davis.
Right, you said has not appeared.
He has not appeared.
Right, I didn't have that either. Did you still want to speak to Ms. Horn?
I would like to have a dismissal, but I also would like to be forthright with her. So I don't want
Okay,
to go.
okay.
I think she said Officer Robinson was the officer and he is
Yes,
here.
he is.
No,
And remember, she was saying the tickets are both in the two different dockets. One's a pre-trial, one's a trial, and she was saying she might need an adjournment.
Oh, I see.
okay, he didn't, the officer didn't inform me that,
No, I'm just saying that's what Tamika just said. So,
Oh,
all
okay.
right, I'm gonna butt back out.
Thank you, Mr. Rocky.
It was only the one
Okay.
file, and it was.
Well, I'm gonna put you back in breakout room 1,
See you later.
Attorney Brown.
Thank you very much, Brian.
Judge, I'm ready on the row to set for a trial date.
Okay, now open questions. We have new defendants. 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding while courts in session or reading, talking, eating, walking around, or driving, or smoking. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Patway. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Torres. This is the People versus Philip Rowe, ticket number P124520 count 1 reckless driving. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Yes, Peter Torres, P68242 here on behalf of Mr. Rowe. Mr. Rowe, state your name, please.
Philip Rowe.
I understand, Mr. Torres, you want to set this matter for a bench trial?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
Okay, Mr. Rowe, can you raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial date.
Yeah, it is. So keep it. But I thought we were using it first.
The first.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the 31st.
Yeah.
Okay. The court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial date for March 1st at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Torres. All right, you're all set, Mr. Rowe.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, March the 1st.